Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are the top WhatsApp hacks 2020. Did you know that you can send a WhatsApp message to a mobile number without saving the number in your actual contacts? To do that, you have to open the WhatsApp API. I'll give you this link in the comment section in the description box. So open up this link and just replace this number with your actual number and tap the send button. It will open up a UI, an interface where you can send messages to your WhatsApp contacts without even saving their number into your address book. By this way, they will not be having an access to see your WhatsApp status or your WhatsApp display pic. So you can send messages via the online API without saving their numbers to your address book. You can choose the way how media gets stored into your WhatsApp, into any of these contacts. So you can go to an individual contact and choose them. How do you want it to save your photographs as well as the videos which you get from the specific contact. By default, they all get stored into your camera roll, and you can customize them by going to individual contacts. Just go into a contact and tap on the name, and then you will get an option of save options. Save to camera roll. Take the option from default to always or never. Say for example, you have groups or persons from whom you don't want to save them, you can choose the option as never. You can now get status reports from WhatsApp. You can get a report of the messages sent to your contacts as well as your access settings and your port informations and everything. Go to account, settings, and tap the option as account. Request account info. The account info gets ready in 3 days and you will get a zip file. You can extract them and see the contents of it. The next feature which we have is in making your text contents bold. Just use asterisks followed by the contents, again followed by the asterisks. This contents gets a bold automatically. Say for example, you use the tilde symbol followed by the contents with the tilde again. It automatically gets a strike through effect to it. I'll leave all these shortcodes into the description section. Same way, if you use an underscore followed by italics and an underscore, it automatically gets slanted. So these are some of the hacks which you could use on your text messages to make them look good. The next feature which you have is in exporting your messages. Click on more, export chat, and tap the option as attach media or without media. Take this option and you can just export this chat and take the option as you can take the option as mail to self, or you can save it to your Dropbox or to any of your cloud storages. The next feature which we have is in making up starred messages. You can star a message and it gets automatically stored into your accounts. Starred messages, you can easily index them from here. The next feature which we have is in your privacy, where you can go to the option of screen lock. You can now enable your Face ID so that you get a security lock on your WhatsApp immediately. You can choose the time limit as well. Another cool feature which you have is if you are getting added up in a lot of WhatsApp groups, then you can set in your restrictions in groups, where you can choose who can add you into a group. You can remove the everyone option and choose only your contacts. Another cool feature which I would say is, say for example, you're getting a WhatsApp message but you don't want to go into the message to actually read it. You don't want to show in your blue tick notification to your sender. Then what we could do is we could take advantage of Siri and make the text read out for you. So this way the sender will not get a notification. The double tick will not be shown on his message, yet you would be able to read your messages. Hey Siri, read my last WhatsApp message.
Peter said, "Hey PB, the weather is good. Should we go on a long drive?"